Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Big Environment YouTube channel. Today I will model for this Spacenet Trusses and glass roofing. This features Spacenet Trusses component and also become this trusses. Without further ado, let's get started for model roofing upgrading work on previously I did on share shape roof building. Let's do it. This building has already demolished. Okay, let's pretend this building is stay on the ground. Okay, today I will remodel and upgrading for this share roof. This roof to the glass roofing and supported by this Spacenet to the glass roof. For the glass roof to supported by this frame square or rectangular shape, and this frame need to supported by another member space truss element, and this structure we need to supported by another arc truss member core, and combining together these all become a Spacenet truss supporting system. So I will select this. Previously I created the roof. I need to hide it and right click and I will hide it. So we don't have the roof, but I still having margin shape for this share margin form. Type VP or VG on the keyboard and turn on my mask. Here apply OK. Invisible this form is mask. So I select this and I need to edit and select again. Then I need to divide for my component to be placed. So I select surface device. So now we have already divided our share shape margin grid line. Now default only horizontal 10 and vertical 10 grid line. Maybe I change to 20. 20 too small, maybe 30. Horizontal 30, vertical 30. And OK. OK, now we have smaller grid, square or rectangular shape inside of maybe 1 meter plus square. OK, now we have share roof margin grid line. So we need to place on the glass here every square shape component we have to place it. And I will place my roof component, place support here and here place and connect to another cord. I will place it here continuously piece by piece together become a Spacenet Trusses component member structurally. Okay, for this I need to go another external family and create it, and I will load into my project. Okay, I go to File, New Family. Okay, for this I can use two options. One is metric cutting panel pattern based family to create and then load into project. Okay, right now I will use this metric general model adapted family template. Okay, open metric general model family template. Okay, look at this structure. I need 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 points. So I need to place 4 points roughly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will select this 4 points and make adapted. And I need to place point, draw on the working plane, set plane, horizontal plane, this plane. I place here and set again to another point. I will use this plane. I place point here. I will set again, horizontal plane, place here, set again for last point, no vertical, horizontal. I will place here. Okay, then I go to elevation. I select my point. Just now I placed the 4 point. Now I select it. Okay, I will make parameter. Click on here, create new, and this will be Spacenet height. Then OK. OK. I go to family type. I create parameter. Place it -700 below class root. Apply OK. Now going down 4 point, then 700 down, and I will place another 4 more points. White. Place on the working plane. Set plane. Same procedure. Using horizontal plane. Place here. Set plane. Using horizontal plane. Place here. Set plane. Using horizontal plane. Place here. Set plane again. Using horizontal plane. Place here. Okay, same procedure. I will select these 4 points, and I will create another parameter again. Create parameter. This will be above this for class height. Then OK. OK. Go to family type and class height. I created point about. Okay, put it 200 mm. Apply OK. OK. Now going up. Okay, I need another 4 more points. Same procedure. Set horizontal again. Okay, place here. Okay, this for the class root supporting point. Okay, we have now 4 point, 3 layers. Above 4 points will be for the glass, and then below this 4 point will be the frame for supporting glass panel. Final below layer support to glass panel supporting. Okay, first I need to connect above 4 point for the glass. Select 1, select 2, select here. Then I need to make reference line. Select again this 2 point, select by line, then make it reference line. And I need to select again, select and make it reference line. And finally this point, I connect by supply, then make it reference line for the my glass panel. Okay, secondly, I have adaptive point. We have already placed the additional point to connect this point and this point, connect, then make it reference line. So this connect line, make reference line. Select this, connect and make reference line. Okay, we need to connect again. Select, connect by supply and make it reference line. Finally, we have 4 at the bottom. Same procedure. I need to select, connect, make it reference line. Okay, select, connect, reference line. Okay, select, connect, reference line, and select, connect, reference line. So we have 3 layers of reference line. I need to place another additional 4 points. I place at the midpoint here. Okay, here midpoint. Okay, here midpoint. Here midpoint. Here. Then I need to connect again. This point. Connect again. Make reference line. And select again. Select. Connect with the line and make reference line. So we have bottom also. Okay, first I need 1 point place on the face. Okay, this point I want to place on the intersection point. So I select here. I will use this option, host point by intersection. I select here this intersection line. Okay, now the point is at the intersection line always. Each 3 points depend on this adaptive point. Adaptive point, I move away. Every point will follow it. Okay, Control Z. Okay, we have this to connect each other, make the components. So first I need to select this and center point and connect, make reference line, and also select this, select center point, connect the line, and select the center point, this point, and select connect, make reference line, and select my center point, and select this adaptive point, connect by line. Okay, now we have this form. Place point on the members. I need to place here 1, and the supporting incline bar, and also 1 more here. Then next step I need to place the 3D supporting frame. I need to set this for plane, now horizontal vertical plane. I need to draw here. I create the dimension for the parameters, create a parameter called glass frame diameter. Okay, is for the supporting glass panel. Another dimension will be in this frame. Draw the circle, set working plane, incline plane, vertical plane. I draw here. Okay, then I need to make dimension, make the parameter called Spacenet diameter. Okay, first I need to create circular bar, and I select this profile circle and this reference line and also this reference line and make a form. Okay, one completed, and I need to select this profile again and reference line and also this reference line, make the solid form. Okay, now I have supporting Spacenet Truss members. Then next step I need to do that for the glass frame. Select this profile and select this and make form. So we have this form. I need to place my glass. Select glass reference line and make the solid form. And I will choose this form. Okay. Then this dimension I need to select. Create dimension. Will be glass thickness. Then okay. Okay, now we have everything too big. So we need to adjust our dimension and shape. We can do it very easily. Okay, we go to family type. We can change here everything. Okay, first we need to change our glass thickness. Maybe 7 mm. Apply OK. Then we need to change frame size. Glass frame, maybe 120 mm. Okay. Okay, now change. Then supporting bar should be smaller than this. So I need to go here. 80 mm diameter. Okay. Okay, now we change value. Then I need to adjust this glass need to be lower. Place on there this glass frame. Go to family type and this height I need to change here. Maybe 50. Okay. Apply OK. Okay. So we have completed one component. We need to assign material. Select this and here materials I need to assign new parameter or materials parameter. So this will be glass roof. Okay, display all together for. Okay, this will be I need to assign again materials, create new one. Okay, this will be glass frame materials. Okay, and I need to select this four frame and I will make another materials, create new one. This will be Spacenet bar materials. Okay. Okay, now we have Spacenet component, fully parametric. Check it before loading to our project. Okay, this will be 700 depth. Maybe I change to minus 1200. Apply OK. Okay, working. The rest member we have already tested. Fully parametric. Then I need to save my family. Okay, name will be Spacenet component. This family I need to load into my project. I place on there one panel here. Load into our project. Load. Okay, now we have component here. We already created from there the other external family. Okay, now I need where to place on the mask. Escape. I need to select mask. So I click here. I need to place a node. So I can select every node. Okay, after turn it on the mask grid line and type CM for just now we load that family component. I need to place any of grid here 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, now we place one, then we need to place everywhere. In Magic, the rabbit will do the rest. Select this component and I need to do repeat process. So I need to select this and repeat it. Okay, now repeat is calculating and processing. For the repeating procedure, this will take a bit longer time to complete. Alright, Rabbit plays for us automatically panel with our Spacenet component with the glass roof for the whole entire roof. Okay, this is reality model for our project. Okay, we will explore inside. Okay, this will be our roof structure. Spacenet 700 not enough depth, change to 1 meter. For the Spacenet truss, we need a structural one member at the bottom top of the trusses, something like this. Here and here we will need it. Actually, not too difficult. I need to go back to Revit, modify my component family, and then reload it back to our project again. Okay, we are now back to Revit. So I need to select any one of family and edit family. Okay, this family, so we need to modify on this. Okay, we need to place one chord member, and this member will be, I need to do same procedure to solid member and load back to project. Okay, first I need to place on the face, point here. Then I need to set particle plane. Then I need to draw a circle. This here, I select this dimension. I will make parameters. This will be chord diameter. Okay. Then I need to select this and also make the form solid form. Okay, done. Assign same materials, spinach bar material, then okay. Go to family type. Okay, just now I created this parameter here. Change to 150. Okay, okay, minus 1000. Apply okay, okay, okay. Going down. We need to load back to our project. Go to the project and see the family. Go to our project now. Okay, override it to existing. So structure will be changed. Okay, now processing. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, perfect. That's now I adding new member here at the bottom chord. Already place it. That is doing good job and rendering good job by Enscape. Look at on the above level drone view. I replace with Spacenet truss frame. This will be roof edge canopy. Okay, I have upgraded roof structure. For that is the shell shape roofing. Please pretend this building is stay on the ground. Alright, let me end here for my Spacenet roof truss and glass panel roof upgrading and creation from the previously created data share roof shape model. Thank you for visiting OOU and see you in next time. Bye bye.